I am Murali, Marketing Manager, Orbital Mekatronics. Welcome to Future of Manufacturing. We are launching a new product of laser scanner which can be used across different industries. We also help customers with initial installation, programming and training. So it can be used to protect operator as well as equipments. It has a sensing range of 270-degree angle and up to 20 meters of warning range. So it has very compact size and it can be used in different orientation across different applications. Orbital Mechatronics was started in the year 2017 with a vision to offer customer solutions in the field of safety, sensing and automation. So we have solutions for different applications across different industries. We have manufacturing facilities in India and we supply our products across the world.